If you are trying to get healthy in the new year, but you're finding it difficult because you're suffering from neck and back pain, well, we're able to help you this morning. Dr. LaHood from the San Diego Spine and Disc Laser Pain Center is here with a special offer and also new medical breakthroughs that are helping people all over San Diego County. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think it's really surprising to know that 80% of Americans suffer from some type of back and neck pain.
Yeah.
This is something that affects a lot of people.
I mean, we're talking about excruciating back pain, and at least this happens 80% of the time during a patient's lifetime. If you have pain that goes into your leg, or achiness or numbness in your legs, or severe neck pain where you're taking medications, we've got a breakthrough technology for you.
How are you able to help people? Because I know that a lot of people's ears are probably perked up right now and they're wondering, how can you do it?
So the way that we do it is different than taking medication. We help people with back pain by using something called spinal decompression. And what it is it unloads the stress off of the joint. So again, if you're one of those hundreds of thousands of people that are getting pain injections into your back, taking cortisone shots, using spinal decompression is a non-invasive way to treat back pain.
So I think people are wondering, what does it feel like? Is it painful? Because we're looking at some images right here that kind of shows how it's done. What does it feel like for patients?
So, Kristen, we use a special decompression table. It feels like a relaxing release on your lower back. It doesn't. It's pain-free. Most of our patients will fall asleep during the 20-minute treatment. And what it does is it just basically gently stretches the joints of your back to unload the pressure that can be created on the nerve.
It makes sense. If you just think about it, it's kind of common sense that if you release some of that pressure, then you're thinking that the pain will go away. So this new technology is something that is able to help a lot of people out there. And you're saying that it can help people with just mild back pain all the way to severe, right?
Yeah, and mainly the root cause of that severe back pain is the degeneration of the disc or the cartilage in between the joint. So this treatment really provides a better flow of nutrients into that cartilage, and we can actually change the shape of that cartilage and pull it away from the nerve.
So we do have a very special offer for our viewers this morning. The first 25 callers to call the phone number there on your screen, you get 2 free laser treatments and the exam. This is something that is great because they can come in, they can talk to you, they can learn more about the treatments, and then try it out and see if it's for them.
Yeah, so if you have an MRI that shows a herniated disc, bring it with you to your appointment, and I'll be able to look at it and determine if you're a strong candidate. We also have a deep tissue laser therapy. It's a class 4 laser that we use, and basically this helps the ligament in the tissue. It speeds up the metabolism of those cells to basically help bring oxygen to the area.
So the 2 machines used at once can really mean success for a lot of people.
We get such exceptional results. So I really encourage you, if you have this sciatic pain or if you're taking a lot of medication, we have a great alternative to that.
And I know for a lot of people their New Year's resolution is to get healthy, maybe to work out, but if you have back pain, that is not possible.
Right. I mean, you're not able to lift things, you're unable to sit in a car. So, make it a New Year's resolution to call the number and be one of the first 25 callers.
I love it when you come in and bring people, we talk about their testimonies of how this has worked so well. Kind of tell our viewers some of the people that you've helped and some people who have told us that they weren't able to get out of bed and then all of a sudden they're able to play with their grandkids and so on.
It's so great because just being at the office and walking around the office, I would see patients initially with a cane or a walker initially, then a couple weeks later I asked them, hey, where's your cane at? Where did your cane go? And they said, well, I left it in the car. I feel so much better today. I don't need it today. So seeing those changes from immobility to mobility is just amazing.
That's so wonderful. And like you mentioned as well, it's so much better for you than taking all that medicine, and that just sort of masks the pain and doesn't get rid of it.
Right. So there's a true change that takes place. We're not filtering chemicals through your liver or kidney. So it's a better life in 2014 using the spinal decompression.
Okay, so once again, the offer, the first 25 callers to call the number on your screen, you get the 2 free laser treatments and an exam. So wonderful. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you very much.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.